If you're looking to borrow more on your mortgage, you may be eligible to apply online. When applying online, it's important to know that you'll be making decisions without the advice you'd normally get from us. If you would still like advice, you can speak to one of our mortgage advisors by video chat, by phone, or in branch. As part of the online application, you'll be asked for some information and documents. It's a good idea to have these to hand just to make things as quick and easy as possible. The main information you'll need is your mortgage account number, your full name and date of birth, the postcode of the property you're borrowing against, your contact number and email address. We'll ask for some information about your employment, including details of your income, your employer's name, contact number and postcode, and the date you started working there. You'll also need details of your regular outgoings, for example, any loan or credit card payments you have, the number of people who rely on you financially, such as children or elderly relatives, details of any ground rent or service charges if you live in a leasehold property, and any other regular expenses. You'll also need to upload some documents to support your application. You can take and upload photos of your documents using your smartphone. The documents include your recent payslip, bank statements or tax assessment, and a UK passport or driving licence. If you have all this to hand, you're ready to start the online application. On the first page, to confirm who you are, you'll be asked for your mortgage account number, date of birth, and the postcode of the mortgaged property. You'll also be asked how much you want to borrow. Don't worry if you're not sure about this yet. You'll be able to update the amount later in the application. The next step is to apply for an agreement in principle, which helps us see if you can borrow the amount you've asked for. It takes about 15 minutes, and all we need is a few details from you, including your employment, income, and outgoings. This is also where you can let us know how long you'd like to borrow the money for, and the reason you want to borrow it. Next, you'll be reviewing the information you've given us so far. You can update any of the details or simply select Submit if you're happy with everything. You'll then get a decision, letting you know if you can apply to borrow more. If you're eligible, you can choose to continue online without any advice from us. If you're not eligible, you can still apply online by booking a video chat appointment with one of our mortgage advisors. You can also get advice by applying in branch or by phone. When you continue online, you'll arrive at the Borrowing Hub. From here, you can see each step of the application and keep track of your progress. You've already got your agreement in principle, so that's the first step done. The next step is choosing your borrowing rate and confirming how long you want to borrow the money for. You'll then be asked to read and agree to the mortgage illustration before continuing. Next, it's time to verify your income and identity using our simple upload tool. We'll ask for your payslip, bank statement, or tax assessment in Step 3, and your proof of identity in Step 4. You'll need digital copies of these documents, or you can take and upload photos using your smartphone. When we finish our checks, your online application is complete, and we'll send your offer letter in the post. All that's left is for you to read the offer and mortgage documents, then confirm you're happy to go ahead. If you don't need advice, and you have the right information and documents to hand, applying to borrow more online could be an easy option for you. If you would prefer to get advice, you can still complete an agreement in principle online to get started.